Showing the problem I was having with my 88 Merc. It's a 9.9. It was misfiring real bad. So I bench tested the coils. Both were bad. Replaced them both. Still misfiring real bad. Did a test on the power pack. Power pack checked out good. I'll show you what it was doing. It would do that all throughout the RPM range. So I checked both the kill wires. I've never dealt with a kill wire that grounded out intermittently, but this one was grounding out intermittently. Checked the kill wire on the side. That guy, it was all good. And then I pulled the kill wire on the handle, and it was grounding out. So I pulled this guy off. Right there. No more mess. Runs like a champ. So if you ever have a problem with your Mercury Mariner Force and the power pack checks out good, coils are good, and you check the trigger assembly, I didn't go that far. Could be your kill switch.